Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, I Just Collect. I am Tyra. Today, in this video, we'll be unboxing Naruto, The Age of Ninja from Kayou. This is also a Chinese company. We have 4 regular versions and 1 N box. The N stands for Noble. I don't know too much about this. I just know that the N version, in the N box, there are certain cards that you cannot get in the regular boxes. But you can get the wedding cards. Well, the group, there's a boys group and a girls group. Those are the cards that I really want. We have 4 regular boxes and 1 N box. I'll be opening one and my family will be opening the others in separate videos. So if you like watching this and want to see more, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, I Collect. Now, this is my box. I'm going to open my box first. Contrast looks really nice. It looks very prestigious. One side's Naruto, one side Sasuke. Yeah, black and gold makes it look more, how do you say it, more valuable, more exclusive. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. Don't remember how many packs in a card. Oh, how many cards in a pack? Our first pack. So we have Naruto and Sasuke. Another R, Naruto with his dad, Minato. SR at the back. Yeah, Sasuke. A PTR. I think it could stand for poster room. And the hit should be the third card. Oh, yeah, third card. Oh, Madara. It's Madara. SSR. Second pack. I think this is Hitachi. Sakura. Oh, damn. I did this you. This is the hit. The third card is the hit card. This is Kabuto, I think. Should be the PTR. Third pack. Maybe I just cut all the packs first. Now, here we go. Naruto crying. Oh boy. Sasuke. This is when they turned around and looked at each other. I nearly did it again. SSR, PTR, Itachi. This one looks nice. Itachi. Okay, the big card would be. Okay, so this is a SSR. Sasuke. In each box, I think you get about 4 or 5 URs and 1 SP. SP is a more rarer card. Looks nice, it's gold. In a way, Choji. Got down by the Shikamaru. Sasuke. Oh, I did it again, anyway. Orochimaru, SSR. SR. And the poster rare. Looks nice. Oh yeah. Sasuke. Oh, I didn't. Forgot her name. Cards are really shiny. See the quality of it. Very good. Nice. Itachi. Itachi's. Feel sorry for Itachi in the cartoon. Has to do that. Some Naruto. Younger. And this is. Forgot her name too. This is Toby, I think. Everyone. Yeah, the cards are really nice. I like the Naruto, Hinata, the wedding. The cards are really nice. It's worth quite a bit too, I hear. Let's do this from the right way. SR, Kakashi. My wife's favorite character is Kakashi. PTR. See. And the hit card would be Kakashi. Just talking about Kakashi and he comes out. Then SSR. 3 more packs. Haven't hit our SP yet. Hopefully it's a really nice card. Get Naruto. This is got my name too. Got a lot of people's name. Mainly know the main characters. Other ones. Oh, double. Still haven't got our SP, guys. Let's see what the SP will be. You see the difference SP. They look like photos. Real photo cards, these. This guy looks a bad guy. Idan or something. So there are normal versions. Oh, it's upside down. And there's one you can see that there's a diamond. You can see the diamond symbol, and it's like sparkly lines on it. There's normal SRs, normal cards that doesn't have it. This isn't, yeah, this is the normal SR. You see, it doesn't have the diamond symbol. This one does. There's two different type of cards. Could be a little side set. Okay, last pack. Pretty sure the SP will be in here or something went wrong. This is when Sasuke meets Itachi after he's done terrible thing. Okay, let's go from the back. SR, PTR. So the SP cards, the back is in black. The normal cards, so you can tell the difference if you do it in reverse. You can tell the difference. All the cards have this Naruto. So, what SP card did we get? Let's see. See, it's gold. Ooh, Hinata! Nice! Hinata would be my favorite female character in Naruto. Looks nice, yeah. Naruto is my favorite male character, obviously. A lot of people like Sasuke. Okay, that's it for now. This is the main hit. So we get 1 SP and 4 URs. 1 SP and 4 URs. That's it for me. The next video will be one of my children or my wife. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I just collect. And guys, everyone have a good day.